If you have been asking how accurate is Kalodata, as far as I can tell, I think the data is actually perfect, and there is no add up, and everything is actually happening in real time. So we're gonna look into it and also do more research about it, and then at the end of this video I believe we should be able to see some proof to tell us that this data is actually accurate. So what we're gonna do right here is to check on some shops that are actually making more sales on using Kalodata. So what we're gonna do right now, so I'm gonna check on shops, and then we also look into the categories as well as products. Then we check on creators and check on their TikTok account, so we can see how many data they are actually pulling on a daily basis or monthly basis. So I just click on shops, then you can see these are the trending shops on TikTok shops, and you can see try account get 10 search per day. You have 10 remaining, so I'm running a free account. As we all know, I have pulled up some videos around Kalodata, and for you to be able to have more opportunity to search more content or more to do more research, I think you have to subscribe to the platform. So right here you can also see this data right here. You can see this actually go up, then it's dropping. You can see the drop, you can see the chart right here. This one is also dropping. You can see this one too is dropping. You can see how far they have gone. You can see how much this particular product have pulled up, then you can see the drop. So there is no certain product that will keep on trending for a long period of time. There are some times that people will just get tired of that product, so it will come down until it can still scale up again. That's it. That's how it is. You can see this data right here. You can see it go up, then it come down, then it can also level up back to this particular graph right here. You can see this one right here, and you can see how this one is also pulling. You can see the revenue that each product have actually generate. You can also scroll down, then you can see this one right here. Then you can see this particular product, you can see this, then you can see this. So this is actually a real data, so no lies, and this is actually perfect. So if I try to click on one of these products, let me click on this. Let me click on this product, then let's see the data. You can see core metrics. So if you scroll down from tags, cosmetics, so scrolling down, you can see shopping mall revenue. You can see how much is actually generating per day. You can see it's 5k per day, then maybe per week. Then revenue, you can see right here $2.18 million. Then you can see self-operated account. You can see average sales per unit. You can see items sold, over 78,000 items sold. Then you can see the total affiliate revenue right here. You can see what I'm talking about. So if you also scroll down, then you see overview, you see creators, you see affiliate, you see shopping malls, then you can see top 10 affiliate. Also you can see this particular. So we're gonna check on this one. Let's check on this profile. I can't open a new tab, so let's check on this. Let's check on this profile. I think I'm gonna search for this name on TikTok. So let me copy this, then go to TikTok. So let's search for that particular profile or shops. So let me use the sorry. So let's check. You can see let me close this. Close. I don't want to do that. So let's check on this profile. So you can see this particular profile. You can see the total followers 4.6 million. You can see the total likes 414 million. So you can see then she's following over 2,000 people. So this particular page have a lot of followers, a lot of views on a daily basis. So she can actually pull up that as one of the best affiliates. You can see to show you that this is actually accurate. You can see 4 million followers. You can see followers, and it's the followers is above 4 million. So let's check. You can see the follower is above 4 million. You can see this is actually real 4.6. So you can see how it's scaled. You can see the margin from 4 to this margin right here, which means this is actually accurate. So if you also scroll down, you can see some other profile right here too. So they are also among the people that are actually promoting product from this store. And if you also scroll down, you can see new product that's available from this store, and they're still generating sales. And so you can see the price for this product is $32.20, and for this one $27.30. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see more product ranking, so which means these are the products that are actually ranking on these shops. So you can see right here, this one is pulling $19,000 probably per day or per week, and this one as well, I think per day, right? So this one as well, you can see these are the products that are actually trending on this particular shops. So this all together tell us like this data that Kalodata is giving out to us is actually accurate. So for us to be able to prove more on that, so let's try to check on another profile. So let's check on this one right here. So the followers is around 50k, right? You can see around 50k. Okay, followers around 6,500. That is what Kalodata is telling us. You can see 6,500 followers. You can see 4.6 million. So and the revenue is $42,000 for this particular creator. And for this one, 42, 41, 55k. So maybe it's not by followers, because what I'm actually saying right here means there are people on this list. Even though if you have less followers, you are still pulling up more than actually expected. You can see 89k with less than 1 million followers. You can see this one right here, 146k with 6,000. I'm not sure if this is actually right for real. I just have to be real with this. So let's try to check on this particular profile. Let's see the total followers. Alright, you can see exactly as it stated, 6,000 followers, and you're gonna see that particular product that she's promoting. So I don't think there's an option where you can filter to maybe best video, something like that. You can see right here, but then you can see all the products, salon beauty, you can see right there, and you can see all these product review, affiliate stuffs like that. So I think overall the data that Kalodata is actually pulling to us, I believe it's legit, it's accurate. And if maybe some data are not accurate, maybe it's slight, but you can see like everything they provided for us is actually legit in my own case, and I believe in that. So you can also follow all these draft or charts. You can see how it's go up and down, so which means products can actually go up and down, and then can also pick up again. So this is just my understanding about Kalodata software to do your research to find product or affiliate products if you jump on in order to make more money on TikTok shop. So, and if you have any question, you can also let me know, or if you think about anything about the software, you can also let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't know the price for Kalodata, but probably maybe you asking if Kalodata software actually worth it, you can see right here. So to me, I think it's worth it. And if you feel like you just want to test it out, you can just give it a trial for 1 month. Then you can see you're gonna pay maybe $50 or something like that for 1 month. Then if the result actually wow you, if you are okay with it, then you can now tell if you should go for a yearly plan or a professional plan. And for a starter, you can see how much it's gonna cost you. You can see 50 search submission per day, 10 shops and creator in search result, 100 detail page per day, 90 days range for data viewing, then video ads analysis, and then creator contacts, then shop details page. You can also see for professional page. So but then I don't think you actually need for a professional page if you are just trying to see how it works. So you can just go for the starter. Then if the data is pull up to you, it's okay by you at the end of the day, and you actually like maybe make money with it, then you can decide if the software is actually good or not. Then if you are not from US and you are from probably some other country like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, you can also pull up your own data and then see how it works. So if I click on this Indonesia, I think this will be in Indonesia currency. And if you pull up for another Malaysia, you can see $17, I don't know if they are spending dollar in those countries too. Then Philippines $16, but then it's all depend on you. So for US, this is how much you're gonna be paying. So if you pay in US, you'll be seeing details around US, and if you pay in Philippines, that means you are from Philippines, and then the data that will be pulled up to you will be around Philippines as it was stated, based on what you actually paid for. And if you want to pay for a yearly plan, you can see how much you're gonna be paying for a yearly subscription. So to me, if you try out 1 month plan and it doesn't work for you, or you didn't see what you actually expected with it, then you can just turn off the subscription. But if it's worth it, then you can go all in for it. And there are some other features on Kalodata, which of course I believe once you subscribe, you're gonna be enjoying all those features. So that is what I can tell you about Kalodata software. Probably it's worth it or not. So I think right now you should be able to decide on what you want to do, and if you are very much interested in paying in order to get the software. And if you have any question, like I said earlier on, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.